Let me entertain you. Let me entertain you. And while I'm at it, I'm thanking my angels as well, because they protect me wherever I go. And you know, I only one lead by one way, and that is by example. And now down on my knees, I tell you these following words. I have one king, one God, and one leader. Then there's only one judge, and he will be judging today. Who may I say? Wherever he goes, I will follow, and wherever I lead, I will follow. So I suggest to you, you follow me and let me entertain you from now on and forever. We're going to try to reach the world. Heaven on earth is the goal. So my name is Colin. I am God's fool. And if you think positivity is kind of cool and you believe on heaven on earth, please do follow, subscribe, like and a comment wherever I go, because I don't know, but God will show. It is possible to bring his kingdom down to earth, and now it's time to do and not rehearse.